Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. We have to tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now we have to scroll down and enter the version option. Let's tap on it and keep tapping on the version number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Let's tap on it and scroll down to find developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So let's open developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, which is, as you can see, in my case, turned off. If we want to turn it on, we simply have to tap on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.